the end of the weekend.
Good morning. Good morning. It is I. This is Miss Tanya's World and coming to you on a Wednesday morning. I know I'm going to have a video out for you guys sometime today. I just have not been able to record as normal, but I have been getting something up on the days that I have promised that I would have something up. So right now I am sitting in the parking lot at the City of Hope. I'm getting ready to have my radiation treatment. I don't know if you can see the permitted parking. Radiation oncology. Okay. So at least we get to have ooh, y'all just zooming in on my big old face. We get our covered parking or whatever. Not covered, but permitted parking. So I ain't got to be walking around here trying to find a spot. Because this hospital, man, it be crowded on a regular basis. So this is actually, I'm not sure if I'm going to get actual treatment today, or they're doing what is called mapping. So they're, the last time I was here, they marked up my body real good and just trying to make sure that they had the right spot so that I could lay flat in the machine. And today is mapping, and if they figure out that the mapping is correct, then today I will actually have my first radiation treatment. On the flip side, my son is also having surgery today at 11 a.m. hernia surgery. So I have been having like real sleepless nights, man. I mean, really sleepless nights. And I probably worried about him because I can see he's stressed out. Anytime you're being put under, you get stressed out. And then, of course, I'm not able to be there. So him and his girlfriend are going to go ahead and go, and I got to wait for the results of that. And then I've been working like a dog, and I've been having these weird dreams, about my mom, about my daughter and all that. So I have just, the last couple of nights has been really, really restless for me. And then I'm exhausted. I go to bed early, but I'm up right away. I'm up at 12:30, 1 o'clock, and then at night, and then I can't go back to sleep till 4 a.m. So, and then I got to get right back up at 5 to 6 a.m. So I'm kind of tired. I'm operating on fumes right now, and but I'm gonna go ahead and get through it. I always do. And yeah, so that's it. And then what's bothering me too is like, my eating is all off. It's not that I'm eating a lot, but I done went right back to eating the same way that I used to eat. I don't think that I'm eating that much dairy. I've cut back on a lot. Like I used to have bacon every day. I haven't been doing that, but I'm back on coffee and cream. I need to cut back on that again, and I've had a little bit of cheese, but not like I normally have. So I need to get that together as well. Yeah, so, in my mind, I was like, okay, I can continue on this eating habit when I was doing the Daniel fast. But just things just got all off track. Just, girl, all off track. Anyway, I still got about 35, 40 minutes left before my appointment. So I'm just sitting here trying to talk to you guys, thinking about the different videos I want to produce for content for this month, things that I would like you guys to know or see. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to take the next 30 minutes or so and write my to-do list for the rest of the week, because I haven't gotten anything done this week. That's just how much I've been working and just been tired and out of it. But I'll be back, guys. Y'all, it is 7:25 and I haven't even gotten up the video yet. I feel like I'm too close. I haven't even gotten up the video yet for y'all for today. I'm exhausted. I realize that I do a lot. I do a lot. And I had let go of my housekeeper. Not really let her go, but I only had her come in like once a month. But I really realized I needed after. I just tried to straighten up my mom's room, change her sheets, take her a bath, feed her. I didn't get off of work till 6 something. Did a load of laundry. Look at my desk. All the bills and stuff I gotta go through. I gotta make a way to get all of this done. My room is never horrible, but it's definitely not clean. Scrubbing the bathtubs and all that, and it just makes you realize that you're not Superwoman. On top of, dealing with what I'm dealing with, going through treatment or whatever. Today was the first day of treatment, of real treatment. I'll be doing that for about 5 weeks, going every single day at 11 a.m., plus trying to come home and work and make sure mom eat. I really got to learn how to take care of myself, and I think I need to get back in therapy. I haven't been to therapy in a couple weeks because I'm on maintenance now. But I just see how quickly I've fallen off from not talking to her every single week. I just don't know how to stay on track for myself. I'm being pulled in so many directions by so many people and required to do too much stuff. I have a property that I'm trying to sell out of state. They called me today saying the pipes is busted. And this all goes from being like that Superwoman that everybody expects you to be, right? I'm definitely not that, but I just do what I can do because ain't nobody else going to do it. My son is downstairs from surgery. He's sitting up there. Came back in so much pain. I'm glad that his girlfriend is down there taking care of him. But of course, I'm running up and down the stairs in between working, just trying to make sure he's good, making sure he's on his meds, making sure that he eats with the medicine that they've given to him. Y'all, I'm tired. I'm just exhausted. But no matter how late this is going up, it's going up. That is one commitment that I've made to myself, and that is to make sure that I talk to you guys every Sunday and Wednesday. I just, appreciate you guys for hanging in there with me, and those of you who have been loyal, sweet dreams. Yeah, girl, I'll be seeing you. You my faithful ones. I want to shout you out. Thank you so much for always commenting on my video. It's almost like I feel like I know you. I'm going to have to come out in New York and visit you, girl. So, anyway, guys, I'm tired. I got to finish adding this on to tonight's video. And I'm sorry it's late, but you will get it. So, I'll see you guys on Sunday. All right? Peace out. Good night.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up.